43, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 44, Sorsogon State University, Sorsogon City, Sorsogon. President Geraldine F. De Jesus. Major Leader Samantha Kim L. Eduardo. Band Leader Janeri Herrera. Band Advisor Coordinator Elmer P. Esplana. Major Trainer Sean Jamor Insinares. Band Master Trainer Elmer P. Esplana. Entry number 44, Sorsogon State University, Sorsogon City, Sorsogon. Thank you. Entry number 44, Sorsogon State University, Sorsogon City, Sorsogon.
Next entry number 45, Bicol College, Sagpon, Daraga, Albay. Principal, Dr. Maria Luz Magasinag. Current staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Giro King, Cadet Major Iron Cedric Budonya, Cadet Major Gabriela Galvez, Cadet Major Bien Lorenga, Albay.
Thank you. Entry number 45, Bicol College, Sagpon, Daraga Albay. Next entry. Entry number 46, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Calabanga Campus, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. President, Dr. Alberto Enaper, SUC President 4. Campus Administrator, Dr. Ernesto Curativo, Company XO. Cadet Major, Jerome S.D. Baguio, Company First Sergeant. Cadet Master Sergeant Charik Baguio, Hidden Bearer. Cadet Major, Christine Ann D. Vidroso, First Platoon Leader. Cadet Captain Tom B. Azuela, Second Platoon Leader. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Rosalind Hipolito, University Commandant Colonel Ferrosaldo Paul T. Reencia, Philippine Army Reserve. University Chief Clerk, Technical Sergeant Alan S. Monterde, Infantry, Philippine Army. NSTP Coordinator, Edeline B. San Gabriel. Band Advisor Coordinator, Pampi Alemania. Assistant Band Director, Rodalyn C. Padua. Major Trainer, Yoko C. Sato. Major Coordinator, Angelica A. Diaz. Band Master Trainer, Rodalyn C. Padua. Entry number 46, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Calabanga Campus. We'd like to acknowledge the presence of City Councilor Dr. Butch Borja. Thank you. Entry number 46, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Calabanga Campus.
Next entry number 47, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Pasacao Campus, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. President, Dr. Alberto Napiri. SUC President 4, Campus Administrator, Dr. Christine May Rigaspi. Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Aubrey Tuason. Corps S1, Cadet Major Christian Dan Bonde. Corps S2, Cadet First Lieutenant Marvin Atos. Corps S3, Cadet First Lieutenant Ian James Ilamo. Corps S4, Cadet Major John